Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to add your name on your lock screen on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you close the your iPhone and you see lock screen, and if you want to add your name here, and if you want to add any text or your name, so how you can do that? So this is what you have to do. You have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to wallpaper, and if you click on add new wallpaper, and if you look for settings, any kind of setting, then you can simply see that there is no option available that you can simply add any kind of text on your lock screen. So you have, what you can do now is you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, you have to simply go back, and here you have to simply open the App Store here, and in App Store you have to simply search for an app as any text, and after that you have to simply download and install the app. And here what you have to do, you have to simply open that app after downloading and installing, and here you can simply add the widget 1, and here you can simply add your custom text like your name. So here if you want to add your name, so here you can simply add your name. After that you can simply click on done and your name will be added. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go back, and here what you have to do, you have to simply close the lock screen, and here you have to simply press and hold the lock screen, and you have to simply click on customize, and after that you can simply see that there are widgets available. So if you press and hold any of the widgets here, you will find widgets option here. So you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of any text. So here you can simply see the text which you want to add. You can simply click on that and your text will be added on your lock screen. Like if you want to add your name, then you can simply add that name on your lock screen. So in this way you can simply do that. So if you want to remove that name, you can also click on that minus button, and after that name will be removed from your lock screen. So in this way you can simply add your name on your lock screen without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. And get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.